It's right where my finger, actually I've discovered it's easier to point with my finger than with a pointer. So it's right, it's medially located right there. That's the vomer bone. And often in lab, when I test that, I put a sticker there because it's easier to put a sticker on it than it is coming in through the nasal cavity. But those two bones, the lacrimal bone and the vomer bone, are the two most underappreciated bones of the skull.
I was confused about the sphenoid of the skull, because when it shows on the slide, you can see on the side is clear. It's this part right here, right? Sphenoid?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yeah. So the sphenoid bone is this orange one here. And it's one bone that runs completely across. So here we're looking at the left lateral side, and it runs completely across to the right lateral side. And you can see it in here. It's the orange bone in there. That's the sphenoid bone. So
on the slide shows that anteriorly you can see it. How can you show it anteriorly?
Anteriorly, you can see it through the orbit. So it makes up the back of the orbit. So let's see if I can put a pointer back there. So right in the back, you can see it. You see the orange back here? See
Yes.
all that orange color, and same thing on the other side? That's the sphenoid bone, all the orange that you see in the back.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I can see.
Yeah. So that's the only place where you can see it anteriorly, is through the orbit, because it makes up the posterior portion of the orbit.
Professor, can I have the power to share so I can like flex?
Oh,
yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Oh no, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I
just
okay.
It's easy
There we go.
to show them like pointing, because I don't know, maybe it'd be easier to see it.
Okay, so you should be active now.
Yep, I got it.
Oh, awesome.
Okay.
All right. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
All right. Okay, Lana, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, the blue, all of that, that's the sphenoid bone. And you can also see it from the back right here. The whole thing. And those are the greater wings of it. Those what you're seeing from the orbit. That's the that's the part of it right there. And then that's from the side right here on the side of your face, the whole part. You can see it.
Yes, now I see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
On the slides, it's really hard to understand how is it going through.
Oh yeah, I totally understand that. That was one of the hardest thing I had to do, is to understand where the sphenoid bone and the ethmoid bone go into the skull and be able to visualize them together. That was one of the hardest things I had to do.
Nasal bone, is it the part of ethmoid?
It's the nasal bones are separate. So the nasal bones make up the bridge of the nose. So it's these two white bones here. Those are the nasal bones. So they're the bridge of your nose.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you can also see it from what I'm sharing, but this is your left side, and this is the right nasal bones, both of them right here, those two little ones. Oh, should I keep my